Great. Your nachos are done.
Yes.
Ooh, Max.
Yeah, I know they're a bit burnt, but I think nachos taste better charred.
They taste better charred?
Yeah.
You prefer them to be a little bit overcooked?
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you tried them yet, Max?
No.
Come over and do a taste test.
First bite. See that? Mm.
Now for the judge.
Okay, David.
It's a little pitchy. Oh no, that's American Idol.
Just a minute, Jack. We'll do it one at a time.
Mmm. Oh,
Better than Chili's?
excellent.
Jack?
Jack, did you taste some of my...
Oh, these are the spiciest chips I've ever had.
But he asked us if
Yeah.
we wanted
Yeah.
them spicy.
I say holy jalapeno.
Dad, did you taste my ground beef yet?
No, I didn't get ground beef.
Max, it's a little soggy. Oh. Do you like the
No,
ground
it's
beef?
awesome.
Ground beef. So good.
Thumbs up, to the side, or down?
Thumbs up. Double thumbs
I
up.
said we turn off the camera. Let's start binging.